party. I am going to the market in Paris to buy the things to make the pasta that you guys asked for, the recipe. So today we're going to have a walk in Paris to the market. Let's go. So I'm here in my cousin's kitchen in Paris to do the pasta, the spaghetti. I don't know if it's spaghetti with, but you can use the pasta you prefer, that you like, that you have. But the thing is the sauce, the cheesy sauce. Let's go! First, water. Everybody knows how to boil water. Hot water and put your pasta. But today we will teach you a secret. So the ingredients: blue cheese, cream cheese, cream, the cream that you have, like in Brazil we say creme de leite, a milk cream, and mustard, a Dijon that you wanted. I like to do with ham, but in the other video I didn't make it with ham because we had meat to eat together, so I don't made it with. But today I will do the original recipe. Okay, you can do salt and pepper and whatever you want, and let's go. Look what I just found. I just saw this here, and I will put the cell phone here. Let's see. So now I can talk with you and explain without hold my phone. So I have good news for you. Every Saturday I will put a new video of recipes here, and when I come back to Portugal I will do my mom's recipes with her. I hope you guys like it, and let's keep going with this pasta. First, the onions. You can use garlic too, but today I have only onions and I like a lot of onions. And I really like onions, so I always use a lot, and I don't care if they are not little pieces. I just like the crunchy. A lot of people don't like, I know. Everything chopped and ready to go. So today I'm going to use the same spaghetti I used in Lalande in the other video, and let's do the same this time. The water, it's boiling, it's ready, and let's go. This pasta is 9 minutes to be ready, and let's go. So now I have two tips. One tip: put the salt in the spoon first, because you can see how much you're using. Because if you do directly in the thing that you're going to put the salt, sometimes the thing can fall and you can put like everything happens with me. So first I use the spoon, and after I go to the thing. And the other tip is, don't put oil in the water, because it's not going to be in the pasta. The pasta don't need, the Italians don't need, don't use the oil in the hot water, and the sauce will not grab the pasta after. If you put a oil line between them, you know, it's physics. The chefs and everything say this. And in Italy they don't put, they use the stones of salt, you know, the not the salt pounder, the bigger, and only this and a lot of water. We used to do with like not big water and the pasta like floating in the water, but they normally do, and the pasta get really better like this. So 3 tips for you: big pan, a lot of water, don't put the salt directly, put in the spoon first, and don't use oil, not even after, only if the pasta will not be served with the sauce directly. But if you put the sauce, the dressing, over the pasta, you don't need olive oil, not. So the pasta is ready, and now I'm going to do the dressing. Let's go! First, the oil. I will use lemon olive oil. It's really good. I like to use a little bit of lemon in this recipe, so this already have the taste of the olive. And after, the onions. Now some pepper. Okay, I will. With only one hand it's impossible. So black pepper and salt, the way that you like it. Okay, and mix and let the onions be golden. So the blue cheese you have to broken. I like to do like this. You only have to, you see, and after you use like this to be easier to transform in cream thing after. I found this ham already cutted, so I bought it like this, but you can use the other one. It's the simple one. I really like this. And you put in the pan, because I like when he was like a little bit burned in the bottom of the pan, so you can have the taste after, like in the sauce. You understand the idea? Now you can let the ham goes like a little almost burned, you know, a little bit brown. So the taste for me it's better, because after the bottom will have the taste and will pass through the sauce. Can you see? Like this. Okay, it's not burned, it's before. Now we have the cream cheese. We will use all this is the little one, okay? And you're only going to make melt and be everything together, okay? I took it off to show you, and now you can, we will transform in cheese. They will melt. And now 1 spoon of the mustard, the Dijon. mix everything and it will be like this. You see, it's not brown anymore. And this is the base. And now we're going to bring the blue cheese to melt. And after you mix a lot, you do like this and it will be okay. And mix it and melt it. And now to finalize the cream. I'm using all this, it's like a box size, the same thing. And you just mix everything. When you put the cream, it will be very hot already, and you can turn out the oven, okay? And just mix, everything will be mixed. You see? It's creamy and cheesy and ready. And now the pasta. And you mix everything together, take the things from the bottom, and it's ready. And this is the final product. I hope you guys like it. It's really good for me. I really like this recipe, this mix, and this is it. Let me know the next recipe you want to know. Bye! Try. Say thanks for my cousins to receive me here in Paris. You understand?
Oh, we are so grateful about your dinner.
It's good.
Very nice. Excellent.
Oh, it's excellent. I like so much.
C'est bien.
Yeah.
Oui. Bon appétit.